line. Got one! No, you can get out here. It's like in shallow. Oh, a wild rainbow. Looky there. That's a wild one because of the spots. That's awesome. Here. I got it. It's filming.
Where's the net?
Because you used it last to get your sculpin. I knew that would work. This is a big one.
You're right. That's the big one. Gus, you gotta get the water to it.
I know. That's a big one.
That's the big one that's been swiping my lures. Easy. Don't want to put too much pressure on 4-pound line, and when he has teeth too.
No, I know. Kind of slip there.
So I got him on the reel.
Nice.
Y'all get a game plan down there.
Gus is just gonna scoop him up. All right, he's coming up. That's good.
That thing's like 2 pounds, 3 pounds.
Is that a brook? That's a brook. I'm gonna lose my mind.
Right on.
But yeah. Okay, and that's not 2 pounds, but. See, Dad, you put them on the reel when it's a bigger fish.
Okay.
And you only reel. Okay, he did not eat the he ate the nymph on the bottom. So Dad, that is a brook. Just give it a second. This is my first brook on this fly rod. Oh wait, no, it's actually not.
Gus, stay to the side of the fish and hold the net so Kale can see everything.
Wait, no, it's a rainbow. What the heck?
Yeah, I was about to say, what are you talking about? That's a rainbow. Yeah, I guess
Gus,
My
that's what I'm
God.
talking about.
Execution perfectly.
That's a nice trout with a fly.
That's the biggest
Awesome.
of the trip, man.
No, but
This looks like y'all done a beautiful one. All the of the rock was spilled off and set up.
got a little wild one. Another little wild rainbow. Look at that one. He's way more spots. Yeah. Oh. That big one. No way. Oh, I got him. Dad, I need a net. This is a big rainbow.
Okay, I'm hooked.
Okay.
Coming.
Gus, be quiet for just a minute. Place ever to catch trout. What? Oh my God! Yes! Oh yeah. Dad, net me! This is definitely my biggest wild.
Oh, wow.
This is a giant wild trout. He is. Oh my. No, no, no. Dad, right here. He's. Oh, that's a stock. No, that's a wild. That's a big wild.
I can't see it.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Yes! Oh my goodness. Here, you can use mine after. Oh, it's a stalker. That's a, wait, is it? Yeah, stock rainbow.
So all the spots like
Yeah.
that, the big spots is wild.
Yes, that's awesome.
So this is a good one to eat.
Yes, 100% eat this one. Careful, Gus. Gus, stop. Big one. Oh my goodness, Dad has a striper on. Oh, stalker. Dad, this is a nice fish. Dad, bring him right here.
Do I just jump over?
No, I got him. Hold my rod. I don't know what you're doing. Dad, I got you. Bring him right here. I know. Easy. Just let him pull, Dad. That line is weak.
This is big. Gus, you want him?
Get over.
Yeah, you can.
Dad,
Yeah, right where
this is your
Caleb.
biggest trout. Just get him.
All right, I'll let you get the next one, buddy. Oh my God.
Oh, that's a wild one. That's a big wild one.
Seriously?
Yes, I think.
You took drag, brother.
I know. No, it's a stock. Yes! Eater. Nice, Dad. You know how to do it. Dad! Dad! It's a big one.
Hey, Gus.
I cannot, like, every time I reel, it just goes drag.
Holy cow. Bro,
This is awesome.
rainbow?
Yeah. And I think they only stock rainbows in this one.
That sucker. I'll take this hook off.
Do y'all have the worms?
Yeah, they're right behind you.
All right.
This thing's the biggest of the trip.
No.
Yes, it
He's
is.
just fighting so hard in the current. Look at him try to go upstream.
Mine ran all the way up under that rock.
Mine's getting there.
This is friggin' awesome.
This is so amazing.
that a brown?
Bro, he just won't give up. All right, here he comes. Dad, that's a big one. That's like a, we gotta eat him.
Oh man.
Wait, is that a wild one? No way.
He come unhooked?
No, that's a pretty stock one. He's got the blotches a little bit.
Yeah. He might have.
Here, take my picture with this one. This whole stretch right here, the edge of the tree too. Right, you're kind of in the strike zone too. But I just kept getting bit right out here with the worm just a second ago, if you want to throw that. Oh my, big one?
No. He's not a minnow. Baby, got one.
Oh shoot.
He's pretty good.
Dad, that's a big one.
Kaylee. It's like my second trout ever.
Oh, it's a brown.
I hope we net him.
Brown trout. Wait, no, it's not. Oh shoot. I can't get to him.
Hey!
Hey!
Not huge.
Nice rainbow.
Rainbow?
Another eating
That's
size.
probably my first rainbow.
It is your first rainbow. Oh my goodness, Gus. See the fish in the water?
Gus, you want to net him? Because you ain't got no shoes.
Yes, I do want to net them.
Okay.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
That's like a 3-pounder?
Yes.
Oh, wow. What test line you got?
4.
Oof.
And he inhaled it too.
That's
so
a lot of fish for that line.
His teeth might be rubbing up against it. I'm not going to... Oh, look at that other rainbow back there.
I think you're 5 minutes away from him getting over here.
That one's going to be nervous.
It's not really... Just kind of stationary.
Yeah, he's still got some run in him, though, is what I'm nervous about. I would not have that drag tighten down much.
It's not. It's really not.
That's
Oh my goodness.
one of those western trout. Oh my
Whoa.
gosh.
And it's pretty.
That's a salmon.
Taylor, are you sure you didn't catch a salmon?
Don't even try yet, Gus.
I wasn't. I was just getting it ready.
Oh my goodness. Guess he's coming kind of... It's not 3 pounds, but dude, he's...
The biggest one I've ever seen on the line. Yeah, I don't know. Just give it a little more.
Easy, easy.
No. Don't reach. Let him get to you.
Oh, come on.
He's out in the middle of the river now, Gus. He's in the middle of the river.
What's he doing? I don't like when he gets to that side because the hook placement's kind of weird. Just don't want to pull too hard. That hook
No, I
is
know.
so small. It
I
can
know.
just rip that part of his lip.
See, now's your chance, Gus.
Gus,
Now's your
come back
chance.
up.
Sorry, I moved you out of the way. Now's your chance, Gus.
Yes, I need you.
Net that fish, boy.
Don't make sure, Gus, when you do that, don't hit the line at all because it might snap because it's bending.
Touched them.
You don't want it.
You don't want to do that, yeah.
You got him, Gus. You got him, Gus.
Oh my goodness. God. And if he doesn't live because he's too worn out, look at that trout.
Just staying here.
You know what?